Hi guys, welcome to my channel Payal's Recipe. Today I'm going to show you a very delicious and easy recipe that's called pizza cups, and I'm going to make these pizza cups in two different ways, and I'm sure you and especially your kids are going to just love it. So let's get started. The ingredients to make the pizza cups are a pinch of salt or salt to taste, some black pepper, some chili flakes, oregano, this is the garlic powder, some ketchup. You can also use the pizza sauce, but I'm just using the tomato ketchup. Olives chopped into small pieces, finely chopped onions. This is the Italian seasoning, which includes a few different seasonings in this. This is corn, tomatoes, finely chopped bell pepper, and mozzarella cheese. And to make the pizza cups, I have some brown bread that I'm going to use and some canopy shells. Now let's first make the filling for the pizza cups. So I have this bowl and I'm going to add the onions. Next goes in the corn. Tomatoes. Bell peppers. Olives. And now I'm going to add the dry seasonings like the mixed herbs, salt to taste, black pepper, chili flakes, oregano, garlic powder. Next goes in the ketchup and the mozzarella cheese. Now after adding all the ingredients, I'm going to mix everything together. And our mixture is ready. Now I'm going to show you the pizza cups. Now, as I mentioned, I'm going to make these pizza cups in two ways. The first one is the canopy shells. So I have these canopy shells and I'm going to fill some pizza seasoning and the mixture into this. It's basically the toppings. So I'm just going to fill the cups with these toppings. Now I've filled in these canopy shells with the pizza toppings and I'm going to place some mozzarella cheese on top of this. And I'm going to bake this so the shells become crispy and the cheese melts. So our canopy shells are ready and now let's bake it for a few minutes in the oven. So now I'm going to just bake it for a few minutes, maybe 5 or 7 minutes, till the cheese melts and the shells are a little bit crispy. And don't set the temperature to really high, let it be on 200 or 250 degrees Fahrenheit. Now I have this brown bread and I'm going to make cups from this bread. So I have this mold kind of a thing to make a small circle with this brown bread. Okay, so I'm just going to make circles like this. Now these circles, I just need to flatten it a little. Just flatten it with your hands. Okay, Now I've just flattened these with my hands, and now I'm going to use an appam dish to make the pizza cups. Now I have this appam mold that I've greased with a little bit of oil, and these are the circles that we made with the brown bread, and I'm just going to place these breads into this mold so it forms the shape of a cup. And now I'm going to fill these cups with our pizza toppings like this. Now after filling the cups, I'm going to sprinkle some mozzarella cheese. And now on medium to low flame, I'm just going to cover these and let it melt and cook. Now let's check on our pizza cups in this. And it's cooked. You can see it's brown below. Here it's cooked really well. See, the crust is really crunchy now and the cheese is melted as well. I'm going to take this out and check on the pizza cups which are sitting in the oven. Now let's check our pizza cups, and they look so attractive, and you can hear the cups, they're really crunchy and the cheese has melted as well. Now these are the mini pizza cups that have been made with the bread. These cups are made out of the brown bread, and these are the canopy cups, and they look so attractive, and the kids and the adults are going to just love it, and it's perfect for a party snack as well. I hope you enjoyed this party snack recipe, and do try this at home and share your comments with me, and do like, share, comment on my channel Payal's Recipe. And don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon to receive notifications of the new videos that I post. And for more videos, tune in till next time. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.